Ever wondered why your keyboard isn't in alphabetical order? Well, they were, but they had a big problem. Back in the 1800s, when typewriters were first invented, they had keys arranged from A to Z. Sounds logical, right? Well, not exactly. Because people typed too fast, the mechanical arms kept jamming. So, in the 1870s, Christopher Sholes designed the QWERTY layout to slow typists down and prevent jams. Turns out, QWERTY actually made typing smoother by spreading out commonly used letters. And even after typewriters became obsolete, the layout stuck. Other layouts exist, like Dvorak and Colmac, which claim to be faster. But after 150 years, QWERTY still dominates. So next time you type, remember it's trying to slow you down.
Like and subscribe.